It's hard to believe that just 2 days ago, this was a happy family home. Wang Xiong's widower and 12-year-old daughter are struggling to salvage what they can from the wreckage. After a powerful earthquake hit China's southwestern province of Sichuan,
I came back and saw the house had collapsed. All my family members were out, apart from my sister-in-law. We searched for her and found her. When we dug her out, she was not breathing. She was dead.
with more than 200 dead or missing and almost 12,000 injured. There are many households like this around Lushan, homeless, grieving, and afraid as the aftershocks continue. Specialist teams of rescuers and 18,000 soldiers are searching for survivors and aiding those who've fled their homes. It's a task that seems depressingly familiar in this province.
Sichuan was hit 5 years ago by a devastating quake that claimed tens of thousands of lives. And although this has brought back painful memories, it does seem as if people may have been better prepared due to that previous tremor.
Peng Guiyu was terrified when the quake hit, but at least she knew what to do.
I learned from magazines and TV to wear a helmet, cover my head with a duvet, and run to a safe place.
But with poor access to the quake zone and continuing landslides, the challenge now is how to care for tens of thousands of homeless survivors.